Hello, good morning dear students. Today I will discuss a new topic. From electrostatics chapter related to the dipole, and the topic name is torque on an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Let's say that this is a uniform electric field. If you have not watched my previous video of dipole, you can see my previous video of dipole. You can search by Kanhaiya Jha physics lecture on dipole, electric dipole by Kanhaiya Jha. If you like, that will come. What is electric dipole? I have already mentioned it, that what is electric dipole. You also know that what is electric dipole. I told you that when equal and opposite charge separated by certain distance, that system is known as dipole. Let's say that this is minus q charge and this is plus q charge. This minus q and plus q charge is separated by some distance. And I told you that whenever we will discuss about the dipole, then the extended distance that I will take between the negative and positive charge, that will be 2L. L plus L, that will be 2L. Clear? So let's say this is a negative charge, this is a positive charge, and both charges is separated by a distance of 2L. So this point O will become center of dipole. So this distance will be L. So this distance will be also L. Up to this clear? Now if I will place any charge in any electric field, then I told you that if suppose that this is a electric field E, and if I will place any positive charge in any electric field, if suppose I will place a plus q charge in an electric field, then this charge will experience a force F, and the value of force will be F equal q times E, and the direction of force will be along the direction of electric field. तो अगर हम एक यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में पॉजिटिव चार्ज को रखेंगे, तो ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज एक फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेगा और फोर्स का डायरेक्शन along the direction of electric field होगा. But if I will place a negative charge in this electric field, then this will also experience a force, but the direction of force will be opposite to the direction of electric field, but the magnitude of force will be same. तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज में क्यू ही एक्सपीरियंस करेगा, नेगेटिव चार्ज में क्यू ही एक्सपीरियंस करेगा, बट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स विल बी अपोजिट. ड्यू टू द पॉजिटिव चार्ज इट विल एक्सपीरियंस ए फोर्स इन द सेम डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. If I will place a negative charge, it will also experience a force F equal q times C, but in the opposite direction of electric field. Now come here and understand this fact that see that here this is a positive charge, so this will experience a force in the same direction of electric field, that means F is equal to q times C. But this is negative charge, so this will also experience a force, but in the opposite direction of electric field. Electric field direction is this. See, all the electric field direction is this. So force direction will be this. Now see here, this is actually couple. Couple means क्या? Couple means वो couple नहीं जो आप लोग सोचते हैं कि एक बाहुबली और एक देवसेना कपल बन गए. तो ये वाला कपल नहीं. मान लीजिए ये बाहुबली है, ये देवसेना है, तो बाहुबली एंड देवसेना इज एक कपल. हम लोग तो ऐसे समझते हैं. बट दिस कपल आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट. और वो भी कपल नहीं जो आप लोग क्लास में कहते हैं. कपल मीन्स व्हाट? कपल मीन्स व्हेन टू इक्वल एंड अपोजिट फोर्स. According to physics, what is couple? When two equal and opposite force is acting in on a system. तो ये डायपोल क्या है? एक सिस्टम है. इस पे एक फोर्स कहाँ लग रहा है? इस डायरेक्शन में. एक फोर्स कहाँ लग रहा है? इस डायरेक्शन में. तो क्या इक्वल फोर्स है? हाँ, F इक्वल क्यू ई ये भी है, F इक्वल क्यू ई ये भी है. That is both the force is equal. If I will ask that both force is acting in opposite direction, answer will be yes. That means this is a couple. This system is a couple. So whenever two equal and opposite force will act, whenever two equal and opposite force will act, which do not have same line of action. Same line of action means this force line of action is what? In this direction, this force line of action this. So both line of action is also different. So when two equal and opposite force will act, when two equal and opposite force will act, which do not have same line of action, then this system will rotate. Then this system will rotate along the center of mass. So in this system, what will be center of mass? This. So this dipole will rotate like this. Why this is rotating? Because equal and opposite force is acting. Always remember the fact, rotation is possible only when two force will act on a system. So this system will start rotating. So why this system is rotating? Because of torque. So can we find torque? Because torque is responsible for the rotation of this system. In class 11 we have already discussed about torque. What is the formula of torque? Torque, this is tau. This is tau and this is actually what? Torque. So torque formula is force into perpendicular distance between both force. So torque is equal to force into, what is the perpendicular distance between both force? So first, what is the force? Which force I will take? This QE or this QE? Both magnitude is same, so you can take any one. So force, how much force is acting on the system? QE into what is the perpendicular distance between both. So this is 2L. So in this triangle, if suppose, can you see ABC triangle? ABC triangle. In this triangle, this is theta. So what will be sin theta? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is what? BC. Hypotenuse is what? AB. So BC by AB. AB is actually what? 2L. L plus L. How much? It is 2L. So sin theta is equal to BC by 2L. So BC will be what? 2L sin theta. Either you can solve it like this or take the component 2L का थीटा के लॉन्ग 12 cos थीटा एंड दूसरी तरफ 12 sin थीटा. तो BC कितना होगा? 12 sin थीटा. So can we write that this is actually Q into 12 E sin theta? See, I have only rearranged it. Why? Because we know that Q into 12 is what? P. We know dipole moment is what? I have defined dipole moment. You can see my previous lecture. The dipole moment is equal to Q into 12. So in the place of Q into 12, can we write P? At the place of Q into 12, I will write P into E sin theta. So what we will write? P E sin theta. So this expression is like AB sin theta, no? So what is AB cross AB sin theta? A cross B is known as AB sin theta. So can we write that torque is equal to B vector cross E vector? So what is the formula of torque? Torque is equal to, write all the thing. So what will be the expression of torque? Torque will be equal to P vector cross P vector cross E vector. What will be torque? P vector cross E vector. तो यहाँ पे एक चीज आप लोग को समझ में आना चाहिए, जैसे हम लोग लिखते थे कि A वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू B वेक्टर क्रॉस C वेक्टर. तो A वेक्टर B और C दोनों के परपेंडिकुलर होता था. ऐसे ही टॉर्क वेक्टर डायपोल मोमेंट और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दोनों के परपेंडिकुलर ही होगा. इज इट क्लियर? So torque will be P sin theta. See some application of it. इससे कुछ और application देखते हैं. First take everything. So if I will place any dipole in a uniform electric field, then how much torque will have? P cross E. How much torque will have? P cross E. That means torque will be P sin theta. What will be the formula of torque? Torque formula is either you can write torque is equal to P vector cross E vector, or what will be the formula? A cross B is AB sin theta. So torque will be P sin theta. What is theta है? Theta is angle between P vector and E vector. So theta is angle between P vector and E vector. Dipole moment is also vector quantity. I told you that what will be the direction of dipole moment? Negative charge से positive charge की तरफ. Let's say I am giving you a situation. First situation, a P vector is along E vector. P vector is along E vector. What does it mean? That means if P vector direction is this and E vector direction is also this. So both vector is in same direction. That means theta is how much? 0. So if theta is 0, so P is sin 0. Sin 0 is how much? 0. So torque will become how much? 0. Torque will be how much? 0. Second situation, if I will tell you that if P vector is perpendicular to E vector. P vector is perpendicular to E vector means if suppose P vector is this and E vector is this. So what is the angle between P vector and E vector? Theta is equal to how much? 90. If theta is 90, P is sin 90. Sin 90 is how much? 1. So torque will become how much? PE. Torque will become how much? PE. So how much torque will add? Maximum torque will add. Because sin maximum value is 1. So what we will add? Maximum torque will act. Now I am giving you a situation and you will tell me the answer. If P vector will be in this direction, E vector will be in this direction. So what will be the angle between P and E? 180. Then how much torque will act? This you will answer in comment. That means if P vector, angle between P vector and E vector is 180, then what will be the torque? You will answer in comment section. Clear? Write everything. Can I jump this? That is the next topic. Work done. We have to find work done in rotating a dipole when it is placed in an uniform electric field. Suppose that this is a uniform electric field. This is a uniform electric field E and there is a dipole here. Let's say this is our negative charge, this is our positive charge. This is a dipole. Let's say this is our center of dipole O. The distance between dipole is how much? 2L. So if this is L, this is also L. Suppose that if I want to rotate this dipole, with some angle, then whenever we want to rotate any system, then we have to do work on it. That work I have to calculate. So now the thing is that how we will calculate the work. So we know a formula that work is equal to what? Force into displacement. Work is equal to what? Force into displacement. So if suppose I will multiply this with R and if I will divide this with R, is there will be any difference in this equation? सेम चीज से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, सेम चीज से डिवाइड कीजिए, तो आर तो कैंसिल हो गया, फिर भी कितना बचा? एफ ऐसे बचा. बट हियर वी कैन नोटिस वन थिंग, टॉर्क इज व्हाट? आर एफ. So this is equal to torque and theta is what? S by R. In circular motion chapter we come to know that angular displacement theta is equal to S by R. मैथमेटिक्स में भी आप लोग पढ़ते हैं कि अगर ये सर्कल है, ये अगर थीटा है, ये अगर सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल है, सेंटर तो बनाने, ऐसे दिस इज सेंटर, दिस इज थीटा, दिस इज आर, दिस इज एस. Sorry, let me make it again. Let's say this is a circle, this is center. If this is theta, this is r, this is s, then the relation is theta is equal to s by r. Theta is what? Angular displacement. Theta is what? Angular displacement. So work done formula will become what? Torque into theta. This is torque and this is angular displacement. So work done is equal to torque into theta. Clear? Now write for a small rotation d theta, for a small rotation d theta, we have to do a small work dw. So how will I write this? So dw will be equal to tau d theta. Is it? dw is equal to tau d theta. What we want to find? We want to find total work done. So we have to integrate this. So total work done, integration of dx is x. So integration of dw is w. So w is equal to, अच्छा, integration of tau d theta. What is tau actually? Torque is equal to Pe sin theta. Right now I told you torque is what? Pe sin theta. That is P cross E. That is P sin theta, and this will be d theta. Now see that we have to take all the constants out. What is P? P is Q into 12. What is P? P is Q into 12. Q is constant, charge is constant, length is also constant. So P is constant. Electric field here is uniform. That means electric field is also constant. So P and E is constant. So take it outside the integration. We have to only integrate sin theta d theta. Integration of sin theta d theta. How will we integrate sin theta d theta? So we know integration of sin theta is how much? Minus cos theta. So this will be what? Achha, we are rotating it. Let's say we are rotating it from theta 1 to theta 2. Any angle theta 1 to theta 2. So the limit will be theta 1 to theta 2. Theta 1 is lower limit, theta 2 is upper limit. Clear? Now see this thing. So theta 1 will be lower limit, theta 2 will be upper limit. So work done will be equal to Pe. Sin theta integration will be minus cos theta. So this will be minus cos theta. And limit will be theta 1 to theta 2. Now see the integration. Work done will be equal to Pe. First in the place of theta we will place theta 2. So this will become minus cos theta 2 upper limit. So first put at the place of theta, first put the upper limit. Upper limit is theta 2. So minus cos theta 2 upper limit minus lower limit. So at the place of theta we have to place lower limit. So minus ka cos theta 1. Is it clear? Upper limit minus lower limit. So minus and minus ka cos theta 1. Minus ka cos theta 1. Clear? Okay. Now see, can we write this equation as work done is equal to Pe? This will be minus into minus plus. So this will be cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Clear? So this is our final equation. This is our final equation, and you have to memorize this thing, that work done in rotating a dipole is how much? Work done is equal to P cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Now if suppose first take everything here, then I will discuss the next situation. Clear? पूरा वीडियो देखने का आदत बनाइए एक सिटिंग में, और क्लास नोट लिखते जाइए. You have to make class note very clearly. Okay? If you will have any doubt, you can ask me. I am always available 24/7. So work done formula is what? P cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Let's say I am rotating it from work done for rotation of theta equal 0 to theta equal 90. If suppose I am rotating any dipole from theta equal 0, that means dipole is kept like this, and I will rotate from 0 to 90. 0 to 90. मतलब dipole पहले horizontally था, अब इसे rotate करके vertically कर दिए. So y can for rotation of theta equal 0 to 90, how we will calculate this y can? So theta 1 initially कितना पे था 0 and theta 2 finally कितना पे चला गया 90. So in this equation we will place theta 1 equal 0, theta 2 equal 90. So what will be the equation? Y can equal to PE cos 0 minus cos 90 cos 0 minus cos 90. So y can will be what? PE cos 0 is how much? 1 and cos 90 is 0. So 1 minus 0 1. So y can will be how much? PE. How much work we have to do? PE. I am giving you one more homework. You have to find work done for rotation from theta equal 0 to theta equal 180. Tell me the answer in the comment section and I will check it there. Thank you for today.